In this video, I will show you how to connect our low voltage battery to our single-phase hybrid inverter. First of all, we start by establishing the communication between inverter and battery. We take off this protective cover to see the communication port. We connect the communication cable to the BMS port on the inverter. Then we connect it to link 1 on the battery, and we push the connector until we hear the click. Now the inverter and battery can communicate with each other. Then we connect the battery cables. They carry the power to the inverter. This one is positive, and this one is negative. Let's say you made a mistake. You can disconnect these cables with a screwdriver. Press the screwdriver to the button on the side of the connector to remove it. Power cables from the battery are to be connected to the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker we have here is type D reference. This is our recommendation. The amperage value should be a minimum of 125 amperes. The red and black cables come with the inverter. Now we do the connection on the inverter. Red on red, black on black. If you want to remove them, there is a small button under them. Click on these buttons while pulling the cables to remove them. And just like that, the battery inverter connection is complete. Check the description box below to see the technical specifications for these products.